Good morning children. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about the print command in Logo. So first of all we will open Logo. We will click on start button. Then we will click on Microsoft Windows logo. Now my Microsoft Windows logo is open. Now as you remember, you have a graphic screen, you have a commander window. Graphic screen is having the turtle, and in commander window I have command input box, recall list box which can also be termed as command output box, and we have the command buttons. Now when we give the print command, we give the print command in the command input box, and the result is shown to me in recall list box or the command output box. So first of all we will click in the command input box where we have to give the command. Now print command is used to display your text. It is also used to display the result of calculation. So first of all we will learn how print command displays our text. So first of all we will click in the command input box. We will give the command print. Suppose I want to display welcome. So what I will do is we will type print, then we will give double quotes. We will give double quotes and then we will type welcome. Now only opening quote has to be given, not the closing quote. So print space double quote and welcome. Now when we will press the enter key, as you can see in the recall list box, the command is also shown to you and the result is also shown to you. So if I want to display any word, what we do is we write print within double quotes, opening double quotes and welcome. Now welcome, the result is shown to you. Now this is a single word. If I want to display a sentence, sentence is having more than one word separated by spaces. Then we give the command as print. Now instead of double quotes, now we use the straight brackets. So we will click on straight bracket. Now we will type the message, I study in Montfort School. Now when I am displaying a sentence, we require both the opening as well as the closing bracket. So we will click on the closing bracket, and when we will press enter, you can see the command is shown and then the result is shown to you as I study in Montfort School. So there are two options. If I only want to display a word, it has to be preceded by the single double quote. If I want to display a sentence, the sentence has to be enclosed within the straight brackets. Now next is print is used to display the result of calculation. Now calculation, we can do addition, we can do subtraction, multiplication and division. So now what we will do is we will just do the simple addition. So we will say print, suppose I give 3 plus 5. Now when we give print 3 plus 5, you can see the result is shown to you. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Similarly, I can do the subtraction, print 7 minus 2. Now when I give 7 minus 2, in the next line you will see the result as 5. Similarly, for multiplication, we use asterisk sign or the star sign. So we have asterisk or the star sign. We don't use the cross as we have been using in mathematics. Instead, we use the asterisk symbol or the star symbol and we give the next number, that is 6. So when I press enter, we get the result as 18. So print 3 into 6 will give me the result as 18. Next, for division, we use the symbol as front slash. So I give print 14 front slash 2, and when we press enter we get the result as 7. So we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition we use the plus sign as we use in subtraction, we use the minus sign as we use in maths, but for multiplication we use the asterisk sign instead of the cross that you have been using in maths. Similarly, for division we use front slash for the division. So we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now these plus, minus, asterisk and front slash are known as the mathematical operators. These are known as the mathematical operator. Now this is one way of doing the calculation. There is one more way. Instead of plus, we can use the sum operator also, but there is a slight difference. We type print, then we give a opening curved bracket. When we give the opening curved bracket, then we give sum, then we give all the numbers separated by spaces. So print opening bracket sum, then all the numbers. In this case we have given 2, 3 and 5, and then the closing bracket. When we press enter we get the result. As you see, the result is 10. Same way for subtraction we use the difference, for multiplication we use the product, and for division we use the quotient. So let's check. Print, then opening bracket, then difference, then whichever numbers I want to use for difference separated by spaces, 45, then I say suppose 5 and closing bracket, it will give me the result. Similarly, print opening bracket, product is for multiplication, product, then the two numbers separated by spaces, so 4 space 5 and the closing bracket, and when we press enter we get the result. Similarly, print opening bracket, quotient, then the two numbers for which I want to get the result. So I have suppose 20 divided by 5, so 20 and 5 separated by spaces, and we get the result as 4. So print command is, let's revise. Print command is used to display a text. If we are displaying a word, the word has to be, if we are displaying a word, first we have to type a double quote and then the word. Next is, if I want to display a sentence, the sentence has to be enclosed within the straight brackets. Now print command is also used to display the result of calculations. So I can use plus sign, minus sign. Is for multiplication we use the asterisk sign, and for division we use the front slash sign. These signs are known as the operators. So print 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Print 7 minus 2 will give you 5. You have to remember that after print we have to leave a space. Print 3 into 6 is going to give you 18, and print 14 divided by 2 is going to give you 7. Now for division we use the symbol as front slash. Now we can also use sum, difference, product and quotient respectively. Sum is for addition, difference is for subtraction, product is for multiplication, and quotient is for division. Now there is a slightly change in the way we give the command. So print, then a space, then opening curved bracket, sum, and all those numbers I want to add separated by spaces, and then the closing bracket. It will give me the result as 10. Similarly for subtraction, print, space, opening bracket, difference, then the two numbers separated by space. It will give me the result of subtraction. Then print, opening bracket, print followed by space, then opening bracket, product and all the numbers. So I have given 4 space 5, and that will give me the result of multiplication. And print opening bracket quotient, the number separated by spaces is going to give me the result as 4. To close the logo, we either give by command or we click on the cross button on the right hand side. So that was all for the today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.